Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Rabi', mechanical engineering student. Today I'm gonna talk about my summer internship at Bawan company. I have started at 13 of June 2023 to 13 of August 2023. So let's start. Here is my outline. First, introduction, background, internship experience, planned work, work done, problems and difficulties faced, advices for future interns, and finally, the conclusion. The introduction, initiated as Al Mhadib and Waybill Company Limited, registered in Riyadh in 1980, retitled to Bawan in 2008 after Fawzan Holding Company's contribution, and Bawan Company operates in varied sectors: metals, wood, electricity, concrete, and plastics. Also, the policy in Pawan Company focuses on product growth, quality assurance, consumer relationships, and market growth. Also, leading producer of building materials in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East, state-of-the-art engineering, consumer relationships, and skilled management. Finally, Bawan Company operates modern industrial units across different areas, serving local and export marketplaces. The internship summary, initiated on 13 of June 2023 in the second industrial city in Dammam. Company obligation to community and accountability toward the young individuals. Varied training plan for male and female students, highlighting coordination and support, successful staffing of Saudi talents, Pawan's diversification into metals, wood, electricity, concrete, and plastic divisions. Chain of modern factories in multiple locations serve local and export markets. Background: Bawan Metal Industries has diverse business operations, leading a producer of building materials. My role during this internship was as mechanical engineering student in maintenance and the production department. I had multiple chance for hands-on experience. The experience gained from the internship at Bawan Company. First, application of theoretical information in practical situations. It's improve problem solving and teamwork skills and engineering understanding. Involvement in Bawan's operations and culture. The value the bridge between academia and industry. Finally, lessons from seasoned professionals in the field. The planned work. My planned tasks and responsibilities included understanding production procedures, contributing in quality control activities, observing material handling procedures, gaining experience to different sections, learning about safety protocols, and finally, helping with documentation and reporting. So, work done. During my internship, I completed contribution in production line monitoring. I will briefly talk about what I have done in the production department. I worked as material handling, which is entailed loading and unloading raw materials into the production line. The raw materials arrived in the form of coils. When I placed the coil on the production line, it would be pulled into rollers to straightening the raw materials. The straightening process was achieved through cold rolling. And also in production department, there is a special area for bending machines. I was responsible for setting up the bending machines before the production begins. This includes adjusting the machine settings, such as the bending angle, length, or thickness, to meet the required specification for the metal. Also, what I have completed active contribution and quality control assessment. What I have done in quality control department is inspect the incoming raw materials such as steel pellets or coils to verify their quality and adherence to specification. So we have to check for factors like dimensions, surface defects, chemical composition, and mechanical properties. And also testing and sampling, perform various tests and sampling procedures on steel samples to assess their characteristic and properties. This include tensile testing, hardness testing, impact testing, and finally dimensional measurement. Also, what I have completed is maintenance. Actually, there is a routine maintenance tasks on the machines, such as cleaning, lubricating, and replacing worn-out parts. Also, loyalty to safety protocols and guidelines. Finally, involvement to documentation and reporting procedures. Problems and difficulties faced. Actually, communication problems in varied teams. The communication was difficult because of the language. Because some of workers don't speak Arabic and English, they only speak their own language. And also, I faced the problem with unfamiliarity with a certain technology, overcoming challenges. As I said in the previous slide, that I had uh, problem communication with the workers who don't speak Arabic and English. So I solved this problem by using easy language and hand signs for communication. Also cooperated closely with the colleagues for direction, modified and learned quickly to direct the challenges. Learning gained, enhanced cross-cultural communication skills, in-depth understanding of industrial technology, and improved adaptability and problem-solving abilities. As I said in the previous slides, that I faced some of problems and I solve it by myself. So all these problem will improve my abilities in problem solving. So here my advice for future interns. First, arrange effective communication with co-workers, hold diversity and learn from different viewpoints, manage time wisely to balance tasks and learning. And also the interns every day will face challenges and problems. So my advice for the future interns: be open to new challenges and flexibility. Seek guidance and ask question when unsure, because some of interns be shy to ask a question. My advice for him: you have to ask question to learn more from your internship. Finally, uphold positive attitude and eagerness learning. In conclusion, valuable hand-on experience increased during the internship, understanding into various aspects of company operations, improved practical skills and problem-solving abilities, And the most important thing that I gained from the internship, bridging the gap between the theoretical knowledge and real world applications. Finally, here is my references. Thank you all for listening.